In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in Google Meet and generate a meeting link effortlessly. Google Meet is a convenient tool for video conferencing, whether it's for business meetings or catching up with friends and family. Having the ability to quickly generate a meeting link can save you time and get everyone connected seamlessly. So let's dive right into the steps to get you set up. First things first, let's head over to Google. Open your web browser and navigate to google.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the home page. You'll notice a square grid icon. This is your gateway to Google Apps. Click on this icon to reveal the menu of apps available to you. Now, from this menu, locate the Meet icon. It resembles a speech bubble with a video camera in the middle. Once you find it, click on it to open Google Meet. This will direct you to the Google Meet homepage where you can start creating your meeting link. Next, on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various meeting options. Since we are looking to generate a link quickly, click on Start an Instant Meeting. Selecting this option will initiate a new meeting right away. Once your meeting starts, take a moment to locate the Meeting Details button. It's crucial for sharing your meeting with others. You'll find this option typically represented with an icon or text in the interface, so go ahead and click on it. Doing this will open up a panel containing all the information related to your meeting, including the joining link. To share this meeting with others, you'll need to click on Copy Joining Info. By clicking here, your meeting link is copied to the clipboard, allowing you to paste and share it anywhere. Whether it's through an email, a chat app, or any other platform, simply paste this link to invite others to join your meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully created a meeting link in Google Meet and copied the joining information. This quick and straightforward process allows you to instantly set up virtual meetings and connect with your colleagues, friends, or family members without hassle. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to use Google Meet links to facilitate your meetings effortlessly. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.